Can we establish the new moon with the telescope? Using the telescope, can we establish the new moon? Basically, the majority of scholars and maraja have said no. We do not accept seeing through the telescope as a means of verifying the moon. Why have they not accepted? Is it because they don't believe in the telescope or they don't believe in science? What's the reason? It has nothing to do with them believing in science or not. It boils down to this fundamental point. The hadith says, Sum lirru'ya. When you see the moon, fast. And when you see the moon, you have Eid and break your fast. When the hadith says ru'ya, visibly seeing the moon, what kind of vision is the hadith talking about? It's talking about customary vision at the time. That's what we're certain of. Now the customary vision is through the naked eye. Seeing the moon through any other object, such as the telescope, is not considered ru'ya muta'arafa. It's not considered customary, common vision. And therefore, the vast majority of ulama have said it does not apply. The hadith doesn't say you fast if the moon is sighted somewhere somehow. It doesn't say that. If it said that, we were good. We could use a telescope. The hadith doesn't say fast if you know the moon is visible somewhere. If you know the moon is out there and it's born. The hadith doesn't say that. The hadith says start fasting when you see the moon. And what's the vision that the hadith is referring to? The common vision. What's the common vision? The naked eye. That's why the vast majority of scholars have said that using a telescope does not qualify. Yes?
Sayed, what if somebody wears glasses?
See, glasses is acceptable because glasses takes your weak vision to normal vision.
Okay.
So that is customary vision.